All right, so while we are here on the widget design, let's take a look on another two nice options we have here. These options are more suitable to when we have an image which is kind of full page, and then we have titles above. They're more about the contrast to make sure the text would be readable. So I think I'll show you it will be much clearer. I'll click on the widget design, and then here in image style, I can go, and I have something called cover background. The best way to learn what it does is just play with it, I can move it back and forth. I can inverse it. And then you can see, since I don't have any text here on this image, it's less visible. So I'm going to jump into the change variation, and I'm going to take an image which is the full screen for the widget. And as you can see, while it didn't do anything there, now I have the text and it's not that readable. Of course, I'm hovering the mouse now, but this is not how the visitors of your website are going to see it. And I want to make it more visible. So I'll press here on the widget design, and then I'll go to the image style. And now here, once I go to the cover background, you see it's actually creating some kind of a separation. And I can press inverse, and it will take the other colors. It's using colors which you have on your website. I don't like any of the option in this case. It might look very good for some images, but not for this one. So I would like to go with the blur option, and the blur option can allow me to blur the background image. And I can control also the intensity of the blur. So if I just want to have a vibe, for example, of the yoga studio, but I don't need the picture, maybe I just use one of the free images which Hocus provide, of course with the kindness of Unsplash, then I don't want the face to be there. I just want it to feel like it's a yoga studio, it's an image from a yoga studio. So this would be a great solution. And you can see this is how it's going to look in the editor. And you can still very much get the vibe of a yoga studio. The text is much more clear. Of course, if you'd like, you can always also change the text color. Very easy. Just press here and select the color that you like. So let's say I can go with something very dark, or I can go with something very light, and just choose whatever you feel is perfect for your business and go ahead and do it. We have a pretty beautiful result here. I'll do the same for the subtext. Yeah, and we get a really beautiful result. Good job.